Whenever you shop, you will get a free gift. Yes, can you believe it? Hey guys, it's your girl Manashri. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is in collaboration with Foxy, a new platform that connects beauty influencers and artists with top brands and savvy shoppers. So let me tell you, it is a fantastic platform because whenever you shop, you will get a free gift. Yes, can you believe it? I don't know how they do this, but इसमें फ़ायदा तो आपका ही है because you will get free items whenever you buy anything. And I really like what they have written in the box. Boxy outside and Foxy inside. It's really good. So in the side, they have written that it is zero plastic delivery. That means no plastic bubbles, no plastic air, and no plastic tape. It is true actually, they have not used any plastic in the packaging. You know one thing, I really like brands who are environment conscious and they take care of our nature. So let's open the box and let's see what is inside. And after opening the box, it is something like this from inside. The first item I have received is this bottle. It is Mamaearth onion conditioner with onion and coconut. We all know that coconut and onion are really good for hair loss. So it is for hair fall control, and it is written that it is paraben free, silicone free, dermatologically tested, and for all hair type, which is great. And in the back they have written it is silicone free and they are plastic positive. We all know that Mamaearth is known for the fact that they recycle more plastic than they use. Like I said, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब कोई ब्रांड ये सब छोटे छोटे बातों का ध्यान रखता है. So yeah, one more thing is there, they are cruelty free as well. So let me tell you one more thing. When we listen to the word onion, we will think that यार onion है, it will not smell good, it will smell like onion. But no, it is not the case with this product. It smells like something like sweet and chocolatey smell it has. And let me show you the consistency. So it looks like the normal conditioner. It has that creamy texture, and yeah, let me tell you, it has a strong smell. सब किसी को problem होता है, किसी को नहीं, but I personally don't have that much problem with this. And the second product that I have received is this 2 face mask from the Face Shop, जो कि एक Korean skincare brand है. One is Aloe's Aloe, which has aloe vera, and the second is Shea butter. There is not much written in the packaging, but in the aloe vera one, it has written that it is hydrating, and yeah, it is hydrating. In the shea butter, it is written it is nourishing one. So I will show you guys how to use this, but before that, let's check out what else is in the box. So the third item that I have received is this free mask from Foxy, which is from the brand Meher, which is an Indian brand, and the mask looks something like this, which is quite big actually. मेरे मुंह के लिए बहुत बड़ा है ये, and it has that tar so that you can adjust to your face. But ये मुझ पे बहुत बड़ा है, so I will probably give this to my mom. और कुछ बॉक्स में नहीं है, बस ये कुछ पेपर्स दिए हैं for packaging purpose because they have not used any plastic. So let's go apply one of the face masks from the Face Shop. So that was it guys. All of the products that I have used in this video are available on Foxy, link in bio, so make sure to check it out. For more unboxing like this, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And till then, bye!